Hello, my name is Jesse, and I'm going to be replacing the LCD screen on this HP notebook. Now, the first thing I'm going to want to do is take the battery out. Set the battery aside. Now, one of the most difficult parts of this procedure is getting the bezel off and trying not to break anything. Gonna have to gently remove this bezel. Wow, that came a lot easier than expected. Just gently remove the bezel. This one is a snap-in, so just got to be careful. Didn't hear nothing break. I hope this isn't glued. Some of them are glued. Like this. Okay, I got the bezel off. Now, to get this bezel out of the way, set the bezel aside. Now, this monitor is fastened in by 4 tiny Phillips head screws. Excuse me while I go find a screwdriver. Let's do this. You're going to want to remove the screws. Do not lose these screws. Alright, got my screws here. Now, place the monitor, the old monitor that you want to get rid of, down onto the keyboard. Wait a minute, there's another screw. I'm still kind of new at this myself. Remove the plastic tape securing the video cable. Boy, that's really on there. Detach the video cable. Discard the old monitor. Got my new one here. Be very careful. It's LCD. It's kind of fragile as hell. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the protective film over the screen. You're going to want to reattach that video cable. Make sure it's not crimped and make sure it is securely in there. Attach the video cable. Line everything up. Why is this bent? Put your screws back in. Mind my twitchiness. Put our bezel back on. Let that snap back into place. Battery back in. And let's turn her on. Boom!